the question here, it says in a school there are 5 teachers, A, B, C, D and E. A and B teach Hindi and English. C and B teach these subjects, D and A this, and so on. Who teaches maximum number of subjects? So again, whenever you are having such a question, make a table and see what all subjects are being taught. So you have A, B, C, D and E, and their subjects are also given. So I'll write subjects here. A teach Hindi and A and B teach Hindi and English. So Hindi and English. So you have A and B teaching Hindi and English. Next is C and B teach English and geography. So you have geography, and C and B are teaching English and geography. This is given that C and B are teaching English as well as geography. D and A teach maths and Hindi. So maths also there, and A is also teaching maths and D is also teaching maths along with Hindi. So we have this much, that A is teaching Hindi, English and maths. ये आ गया ऐसे ही. For this we have. Next, E and B teach history and French. So you have history and French also here. So history and French. And E is teaching history and French along with B also. So B is also teaching history as well as French. अब who teaches maximum number of subjects? I don't know, think कि अब बताने की ज़रूरत है that who teaches maximum number of subjects. It is being taught by B. B is teaching almost all except maths.